In this video, I'll show you how to mark a show or movie as unwatched in Netflix. For example, let's take the show Wednesday. If I go to Episodes and Info, you'll see that the first episode has already been marked as watched. To change that, here's what you need to do. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Account. Scroll down to Edit Settings and click on Viewing Activity. This page shows everything you've watched on Netflix. Find the show or episode you want to reset, in this case, Wednesday Season 1, and click Hide from Viewing History. Netflix will then show a message letting you know that within 24 hours, the title will no longer appear in your history and it won't be used for recommendations. Once removed, it will no longer show as watched, so you can view it again as if it were new. And that's it. A simple way to make any Netflix show or movie appear as unwatched. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.